mind of Mencia. This is actually my favorite part of the show. I watch so much television, and I so often find myself thinking,
why the fuck is this news?
Yeah.
How slow of a news day does it really need to be in order for this to end up on television?
Big search is on this afternoon in the North Shore. 3 big birds.
Woo, big birds.
See you back there, dumbass!
Near Dundee Road in the Edens, and that's where we find NBC5's Andrew Lantis now with the story. And this is about emus. Emus, exactly. 2 of them.
Big bird!
Authorities tell me by a professional emu wrangler.
There's a professional.
Eluding authorities.
No one knows where it is. They're taping it. Somebody knows where it is.
A lot of authorities were involved in that because these birds run really fast.
Yeah, look how fast it's running. Oh.
The Animal Patrol, Sophie Police, Winnetka, Glencoe Police, Botanic Gardens.
Stop! Did you hear how many people are chasing a bird? It's a bird! It can't fly! Why don't you tell the black people that there's a giant chicken on the loose and 2 minutes later we'll have a bucket of big-ass wings?
Come on!
No! That's on the news? Come on. This is what should have been on the news and you didn't see it, but we'll show it to you here on the Mind of Mencia.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's our president.
We voted this guy in not once, but
But twice.